Okay, so today's problem, we're talking about buying a pair of jeans. And so I go to the store, jeans are on sale, and they're taking 30% off according to the store sign. If you remember, 30% off, we take that off the price of the jeans. And so, if the tax is 2,070 cents, let's build an equation. We got the price of the jeans minus discount plus tax is equal to the total price. And so price of the jeans, because we don't know it's X, zero point 0.3 is the percent as a decimal, times X plus 270 equals 3420. So our X are our unknowns, the 0.3 is the discount percent as a decimal. And so in this case, the solution makes the equation true. Exactly right. Good job. And so in this specific case, the X would be the price of the jeans that would end up with you paying $34.20 with taxes and discount applied. Okay, so now we're gonna try different numbers to see if we can verify a solution. Remember, a solution makes the equation true. So we're gonna try out $40. So what do we do with the $40? That's right, we plug it into the equation. So now it's gonna replace every single X. We do some math, get some numbers, multiply, add, subtract, and we end up with $30.70 equals $34.20. Is this true? Definitely not. Good work. So remember, the 40 is not a solution because it doesn't make the equation true, as you can see by the two numbers not being equal to each other. All right, let's try another one. Let's go with $35. So what do we do with the $35 in the equation? Exactly right, we plug it in for every single X variable. We do the math, multiply 0.3 times 35, combine all the numbers together, and we end up with 2720 equals 3420. Is that true? So it's not true because 2720 is not equal to the 3420. Now let's talk about some moves that we can do with the equation. Let's begin by multiplying the entire thing by 100. So 100 times X, 100 times 0.3, 100 times 2.70, and 100 times 3420. So 100 times X gives you 100X. 100 times 0.3X gives you 30X. 100 times 2.70 gives you 270. And then 100 times 34.20 gives you 3,420. So multiplying it by 100 changes our equation a little bit, but it's still equivalent. Now we're dealing with cents and not dollars. So now we're going to try to move the 270 over to the other side. And if you remember, we have to use the opposite operation. So subtract 270 from both sides, and there is our new equation. And this should kind of ring a bell because that's something we would do to solve the equation and find a solution if we were given an equation to begin with. So last thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the X terms. We have X minus 0.3X. Now we have an invisible number. What is it? Exactly, it's a 1. And so we do 1 minus 0.3 and we get 0.7. And our new equation looks like that. So now our discount has been combined. And if you think about it, the 0.7 is what we're paying. We're paying 70% because we take 30% off.